How to fix Capcut network error on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Capcut network connection error. This issue arises when you have downloaded the Capcut but encounter a network error while trying to download assets like stickers and other transitions. This happens because Capcut detects your location as being in the restricted area. To resolve this, you can completely close the Capcut application on your device or in the browser, and after that, activate your VPN. You can either use a VPN extension such as Hola, Proton, or anyone that is free and works on both phones and PC. Any VPN will work for this purpose. So for this demonstration, I'll be connecting myself to the Hola VPN through browser. Connect to any of the server. After that, once you open the Capcut, try adding an effect to the clip. You'll be able to see that the effects are loading without any errors. Everything will be downloading and working perfectly. No more network connection errors. So this was all about it. Remember to keep your VPN active whenever you use Capcut to avoid interruptions. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.